Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014, on a 14 plate Volkswagen Beetle design. This is the 1.6 turbo diesel with the Blue Motion technology and a 5-speed manual gearbox. Convertible obviously, and finished in pure white. So have a good walk around of this smart little Beetle Cabriolet. Great looking car this. I'm convinced that the sunshine is going to come to us shortly after a rubbish summer. I'm sure it's going to be sunny. We're going to have a Indian summer, whatever they call it. This is a July 2014 registered Beetle design. Registered July 14. The current owner has had the car since February 15. So we believe it was a demonstrator at Volkswagen before that, and then just the one owner from new. It was on a long life service schedule, so it's been serviced 4 times: 2016, 18, 20 and 22. Cambelt's also been recently replaced as well, which is always good news. £35 to tax, that's all, for 12 months. Because it's got that Blue Motion technology, it still comes in under that cheap tax bracket. And 60 miles to the gallon plus on a combined run according to Volkswagen as well. The car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. On the last MOT, if you are doing your checks, you'll notice that the front tyres were advised. They've been replaced with Bridgestone tyres to match the rear, so they're as good as new. Looks great with the roof down, and a decent spec as well on this design model. You got the nice wheels, 17-inch. As we have a look inside, really nice and tidy. Seats are in good shape. Centre armrest there. Really nice straightforward setup actually on these Beetles. Door cards are in good condition. 4 electric windows. Does come with remote central locking, and 2 remote keys are supplied. Electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel itself, you've got controls for your trip computer and your radio controls on the other side. Couple of cup holders down below, manual handbrake, 5-speed manual gearbox. You've got a 12-volt socket, some grippy storage down there, auxiliary input, air conditioning. Such a straightforward setup this. Aircon at the top, start-stop facility which you can switch off. We've got a twin-layered glove box setup with all your handbooks, and I'll start the car up. Show you the infotainment. So there's your mileage, 36887. Got a bit of storage at the top, and then onto the infotainment. So you got DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, very straightforward. CD player as well at the top there. And then to put the roof up, this button here, pull it and hold, and then here it comes. And the windows come up as well, just like that. Super straightforward. Into the rear. Obviously it's a 2-door, so the seats come forward nice and tidy again. 2 headrests with 2 seat belts, and you do have the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. It does also have its carpet mats, and you do get an extra cup holder and 12-volt socket in the back of the car. And then round to the boot space. That's your cover, so when the roof's down, that's your leather cover to go on the rear. I won't take that out now, but if you have a look in the pictures, you'll be able to see decent sized boot, and you also get the space saver spare wheel with your locking wheel nut key, etc. underneath. Really straightforward. Great looking, obviously, even with the roof up. And there we have it. 2014 on a 14 plate Beetle design diesel, 36,000 miles. Demo plus 1 owner, good service history, and £35 a year to tax. Car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. For any more information, registration number, insurance group, specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really nice looking car, good provenance, good price range too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.